Welcome to the National Conference Center.
Hey, what did you do?
Testing the receipt, chillers are working, system is functioning. Once the rest go. Yes, right on schedule.
My friend, we move or I move you?
This should have been the major one award. All you would have done was to use the front of the air and the front of the air. And to award this, I'm sure you will did the stuff the land they have.
No. We don't have land.
If I did that, this one, I would have awarded.
Two locations. So that from both
The minister gave him two options. The other is, or you take do things. If not, you are not coming back. If it is PDP, how will they do that? It's not that we don't give out the See, the man, Tinubu said, tell me, I don't tell you, say, you know whether it's already there. You don't know, I know they do politics now. You know, saying like they die minutes, because somebody is there already. So you have to.
This is Gishiri. This is Gishiri.
Excellency, welcome to that connects to where Gilmore is working. This one connects to the next road, and this is the one you just said we should take a look at. It's about 2 kilometers. It connects about. This is the one that we are going straight to the bridge, yes. So here we will follow here and go to the bridge. The major work area is between here and the primary school, about 500 meters. The work, the culvert is almost completed. The hard work. Junction will go to 20 quarters. Yes, 24 terminal.
Video me, let him I see my daddy for television.
And we couldn't cross, we were still starting the bridge, but now it's fully completed. And very
Mr. President, during his second year anniversary, we have gone to the National Conference Center, which is also almost ready. The first phase of the N5 will also be ready at the end of May. Frankly speaking, we're very impressed with what we have seen. We have scheduled. The contractors who are handling these various jobs are living up to expectation, and we are also doing our own part by making sure payments are also made so that there will not be delays from either of the sides. So the quality of jobs is quite impressive. I'm so happy with the National Conference Center. Those of you who knew how it was and see what it is today will be impressed that yes, that conference center is coming back to what it's supposed to be.
Talk us through the budget. Last time we spoke about it. Where is it now?
Well, the budget has been conveyed to the National Assembly. And the National Assembly now recess, they are resuming on 29th of April. We believe when they come back, we will go and defend the 2025 appropriation bill. That is not hindering the projects, but these projects are part of the 2024 budget, which is being extended to June ending. So we are doing what is within the law, and the remaining part of what 2025 will now be used to pay the contractors. Yeah.
Okay, are you talking about the national budget or the statutory budget for the FCT?
The statutory budget for for the FCT. The national budget has been approved and accepted to by Mr. President. And so, but this job is not part of national budget. What this job is in the statutory budget of the FCT.
In terms of implementation
of the 2024 budget.
I can tell you we've done not less than 90-95% of the budget implementation, but that is history. That is it had never happened before. And if you look at the projects there, you will see that there's no project that is in 2025 that we have not touched. Thank you.
No,